Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the glass shelf in the Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new glass shelf. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if the glass cracks or the shelf is missing. Open the fresh food door. Pull out the old glass shelf as far as it will go. Leave the end and remove the shelf. This is the old glass shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new glass shelf on the supports, slide it in all the way and close the door. And plug the fridge in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.